Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily check your internet speed on your cellular data. So first thing, you need to turn off your Wi-Fi and just turn on cellular data. So just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find your Wi-Fi. So just tap on Wi-Fi, just turn off Wi-Fi and just go to mobile data or cellular data and just turn it on. So after, just go to your browser, so you can also open Google Chrome or Safari, so whenever you want. So just tap on Safari and just go to Google.com and just tap here check internet speed. So here you will see different websites, so I will show you an example of first one. So just open it and now just wait some time until it will analyze your speed and just show to you how much megabytes you also have on your cellular data. But also you need to turn off Wi-Fi and just turn on cellular data. So just wait until it will analyze your speed and show to you. So here you can see my internet speed on cellular data. So this is the way how you can check it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.